Hi everybody and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I have an announcement to make and I'm very excited because more than an announcement, it is a commitment from me to you. I call this a commitment because once this video goes live, I will have to do this. So what I have planned is to start a video series on budget decor DIYs for winter and holidays 2018. So this, as the name suggests, they're going to be a series of videos, part 1, part 2, part 3 and so on, starting with today's episode being a part 1 where I'm also going to share with you 2 DIYs after I stop talking. So what I decided is to make decor items for the home for this winter. So if you know me, you would know that I'm decorating for seasons for the first time. I recently made a few DIYs for fall in the last couple of 2 or 3 months, and I have absolutely nothing in my house which is winter specific. And if I want to decorate my home for winter, bring in the winter beauty in my home, I need to DIY. So I'm going to start from today and start making my things so as my house evolves with the season and becomes more beautiful. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video or the icon given in the bottom right corner, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of these episodes. I will try to give you a sneak peek of what I did in the previous episode and also what is coming next so that the excitement is on. I'm starting this video series today and I'm very open to your comments and your thoughts, your suggestions. So please give them in the comment box given below. Let me know how do you like these DIYs. Let me know if you want me to create something more. If you want to send me a pic, you can mail it to me and you will find my email ID in the about section of my channel. I would really try to go by your suggestions or do what you have asked me to. Now, all these DIYs that I have planned out, they are mostly in neutral shades, though they are very glamorous because they have that little glitter, the little touch of winter, the little touch of sometimes vintage, sometimes rustic, sometimes modern, and they can go with any kind of decor, be it farmhouse, be it cottage, or be it anything. I have decided to make it versatile because I need to change the sofa covers from red and I've planned to change them into blue. My sewing machine has given me a chill. It's broken down. I need a new sewing machine. Until then I'll have to go on with this. So I have made these DIYs keeping in mind that they will go with any kind of color scheme, any kind of decor scheme. So these are absolutely within budget. So if you are a DIYer or a crafter or a painter like me, you will have most of the craft supplies at hand. But if you don't have anything that I'm using in my video, these are very cheap, very easily available, so you can just get them or modify them, put your own touches and make your own decor item. So let's begin decorating for winter and holidays this season with me. And today I have 2 DIYs for you. These are going to be 2 Christmas trees. One is going to be winter wonderland themed and another is going to be inspired by Christmas tree. So let's get started, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe please, and let's do it. Taking any kind of hard paper, a pencil and a string, I'm going to tie the string around this pencil and this will behave as a compass. So depending on how high I want my Christmas tree, I'll make one arc. I'll cut along this margin. hold it tight by this portion and staple it. Now using a tape, just tape it up. For the next part, I took some velvet paper or soft fabric, velvety fabric. It's velvet and soft in texture, and then I just took the strips which are like 2 inches wide and length could vary. Just fold it and fold it again, and again, and I just make some scalloped edges. Scalloped edges so that it opens up like this. Then I cut it through the center. And so I have got 2 strips of these. Just fold it. So these are the different strips that I've cut with this soft velvety furry fabric, and I also covered my cone with white paper, and now I'm going to start sticking it. So you take one of the strips and start by the lower edge. First once a full circle is made, go slightly in a tilted way and rise up. Once that is over, start with a fresh one, and as you see, I'm not in a straight line, it's slightly tilted up. These should overlap the other, and just go on and on. Till the whole tip is covered. Similarly, I made another cone and covered it with white paper. This is going to be a tumbler inspired DIY. I'm going to use a crafter's glue and put these